Hi everyone, welcome to Chris Dollar. Let's make halo-halo. We need an empty glass. Then let's put pandan gulaman, ube gulaman. Then now let's put the black and the white beans. Then the banana and the jackfruit na minatamis. I make it by my own. And my crushed ice and our ice. And let's crush it. So now let's put the crushed ice. Then let's put my ube ice cream. I made it also. And let's put the evaporated milk. It's unsugar. And it's ready to eat. So yummy, guys. Look at that.
So yummy. So of course, ang halo-halo ay hindi mawawalan ng ube cake. Ayan. So yummy. Ang ating ube cake, guys. Diba? So ube chiffon cake with our halo-halo with ube ice cream. So okay, tara. Halo-haloin na natin, guys. Ayan. Dito tayo sa kabila, guys. So, ang ating halo-halo is meron siyang minatamis na saging at langka. Sarili kong gawa. Tapos, gulaman na pandan at saka ube. Gulaman siya, guys. Tapos, meron siyang beans, white beans, at saka black beans. Ayan. So, ang kulang niya lang is nata de coco at saka leche flan. Sarap-sarap, guys. Ayan. Ayan na, guys. Perfect for this weather. Thanks for watching. Bye!